Hello Year 10, in this video we're going to do a virtual field trip to compare tree cover in an inner city suburb of Glebe to an outer city suburb of Camden, and we're using Google My Maps, which has a slide rule so you can measure out an area of 100 metres roughly by 100 metres, coming down to 200 metres here, and back up, and that will give us a 100 metre square area to count trees in. And now I've zoomed into Castle Hill, and I'm going to do the same thing, measure an area of 100 metres roughly by 100 metres. So I've got roughly the same amount of area, and then I'm going to count the number of trees in each quadrant and compare them. Thank you for watching this video.